the killer cough syrup tragically claimed the lives of over 20 children, the investigation has now taken a significant turn. The Tamil Nadu government has cancelled Sresan Pharma's manufacturing license and permanently shut down the company, the maker of the adulterated coldrif syrup. This follows lab tests that found the deadly chemical diethylene glycol in one of its pediatric syrups. A statement from the State Health Department said the license to manufacture has been entirely cancelled and the firm has been closed down. Officials have also seized fresh samples from Srisan Pharma's Sanguvar Chatram unit in Kanchipuram, which are now undergoing further testing. But this latest action, remember, comes on the heels of the ED raids at 7 locations across Chennai yesterday, all linked to Sresan Pharma. The action comes after Madhya Pradesh police had registered an FIR on Sresan Pharma as well, alleging that coldrif syrup manufactured by them was adulterated and was a direct cause for death of 21 children. Remember, the proprietor of Sresan Pharma has already been arrested by the Madhya Pradesh police. But the political heat has been rising over the killer cough syrup probe. Congress MP Karti Chidambaram has called for accountability from the Tamil Nadu government, saying that if the adulterated syrup originated in Tamil Nadu, then the state government and the responsible officials must be held accountable.
அது அந்த மருந்து எங்க இருந்து வந்ததுன்றத விசாரணை மூலமா கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். அது தமிழ்நாட்டுல இருந்து வந்திருந்தா அதற்காக இங்க இருக்கிற அரசாங்கமும் அதற்கு துறை அதிகாரிகளும் கண்டிப்பாக பதில் சொல்லித்தான் ஆகணும். எப்படி அந்த குவாலிட்டி டெஸ்ட் எப்படி பாஸ் ஆச்சு, ஏன் அப்படி குவாலிட்டி டெஸ்ட் பண்ணாங்களா, அப்படி பண்ணவங்களை யார் பண்ணாங்க, இல்லைன்னா பண்ணி பாஸ் ஆச்சா இல்லைன்னா பண்ணவே இல்லையான்றதெல்லாம் தெரிஞ்சுதான் ஆகணும். ஏன்னா 22 குழந்தைகள் எந்த பகுதியில் இறந்திருந்தாலும் அதை லைட்டா எடுத்துக்க முடியாது.
All right, my colleague Dharni gets us more on this. Dharni, even as the political, heat is up against the state government in Tamil Nadu, there is probe taking place, and now we've got Sresan Pharma being shut down.
Well, the state health department has stated.
Right, Dharni, I'll try and reconnect with you. There seems to be an audio issue, but remember, viewers, this is the latest as far as the probe is concerned. Sresan Pharma's owner was raided, and now this action coming in, a long demanded action that was being asked for as far as the pharmaceutical company is concerned. Its license has been cancelled, and of course the plant has been shut down. But even as the probe continues, there is political pressure building against the Tamil Nadu government as well. Karti Chidambaram, the Congress MP, saying that if the adulterated cough syrup originated in Tamil Nadu, there needs to be action taken against the government officials as well as those who did not see this, who practiced this negligence. All right, viewers, with that, it's time for a short break. We will come back with more news and updates.